Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through December 2017's budget on EveryDollar. Thanks. If you're interested, then let's go ahead and get started. First, I would like to say I am going to be uploading a financial wins and losses video for 2017 as well as another video about my 2018 goals. So I'm excited to upload that. And a little disclaimer before I go through my budget that I think I'm going to add in more videos. I am sharing my personal finances, so I would really appreciate any comments that are positive, and if they are constructive criticism, I happily take that. I've actually changed quite a few things in my budget because of recommendations from other people. So let's go ahead and get started. My paychecks were exactly the same. From Chase this month, I got $12.78 back. Lawsuit from Wells Fargo I didn't obviously sue them. It was just like the civil whatever case. I got $17.53, and I got my first YouTube paycheck in many years, $113.40. And I'll talk about this later as well. I kind of made a mistake, but whatever. And then I also got $3,000 from my grandma. Thank you, Grandma. That was a very unexpected gift. So it was really nice to beef up a little bit of the emergency funds, which you'll see. I have now all of this left over to budget. So yeah. I did spend $126 on my bridesmaid's dress that I was originally supposed to be $140. Christmas, I ended up going over what I thought my budget was going to be, which was fine. I kind of expected to do that. So I spent $225.19 actually. But now I have a solid budget for Christmas next year, and I know exactly what I'm going to be saving every single month. I think it's $50 a month. I did not pay ComEd yet, which is going to bite me in the butt for next budget, but my boyfriend has not told me what it is yet. There's housing. My AT&T was only $60, and then I did not pay for my cell phone bill this month, I guess. My mom takes care of it normally, and then she just tells me whatever I owe. In terms of gas, I did up it a little bit, and I ended up spending $78.75. But I also took Uber a little bit more and public transportation because of the holiday parties that I had in the city. I definitely didn't want to be driving anywhere after I was drinking. My budget this month, I thought I wasn't going to go over because of the holidays, but turns out I did way more with people during the holidays. This is definitely one of the categories I'm paring down. Another thing that didn't think I'd be spending that much money in, but ended up going over budget was my groceries. So I ended up spending $424.31. In terms of coffee, I spent $18.05. In terms of clothing, and this budget is going down this year, $97.75. In terms of subscriptions, there were a couple ones I got for free this month because I had been subscribed for so long. In terms of miscellaneous expenses, I only spent $175.57, and now this is pretty much all I'm going to have now. So that's kind of exciting. Then gifts, I only spent $61.79, and this is actually for future gift giving. So I'm excited to kind of have some gifts ready to go and already paid for. I just need to make them. And then this is the only thing that is a little bit different. I beefed up my fun money. That's what this was before, and I added just a little bit more. I got two things. I got some stamps and a new vacuum and a pillowcase. I kind of figured that that could be a little bit of what my grandma had given me. I didn't overspend, and I'm going to put the rest in my sinking funds, but I did think, which I always think is hard when you get money because you want to save it, but it was a gift and it's meant to be enjoyed, but I'm happy that I only spent just a little bit of money. So that's that. And actually that means, did I even change that? Why did this change? No. No, I don't want remaining. I want spent. So I didn't even spend $500. I ended up spending just $432.58. I'm really happy because I have had the worst vacuum cleaner for like a very long time. And then Orange Theory is the same. Life insurance is the same. And then I actually did another payment on this loan. I did do this. I ended up paying extra on my Sallie Mae loan, and if you notice, this is my YouTube money that I got. And then I realized probably should have taken taxes out of that, because I didn't pay any taxes on that. So, unfortunately, that extra money I'll just take out in the future whenever I decide to pay those taxes. $113 won't be that much, so I'm not too concerned, but that's pretty much my budget. I know I went through that pretty quickly, but that means that I have $3,164.73 left, and my emergency fund, my funds right now in EveryDollar don't make a whole lot of sense to me. It makes more sense in my Excel budget, and I will be uploading an Excel monthly budget report just since it has a lot more information in it. And you can see where I decided to put this money towards. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.